Atongoria a kiama kia marigitari na manathi mekorokete igoti-ini kuria maretetwo ni mucirithania Helen Wasilwa magicukirwo gukararia watho wa igoti.
When a court order is issued, whether you like it or not, you obey it first. Then you question it.
Maroka mathiro manina mugomo ucio na ihenya otoria kwahoteka.
When you leave these places, to go out there and tell your members, the court has said the strike must stop and we are obeying the court order and we are going back to court to work.
No ona watho ucio ndwenyenyetie murugamo wa marigitari wa kwenda mendekithia mao marumbuyo ni thirikari.
If we wanted to preserve life, then the government should have resolved this issue more than 3 years ago.
Onake mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Nurses Seth Panyako no areganite na watho ucio na agateaniria wigithanio uria wiriga gukinyanirio gatagate ga thirikari na atongoria atatu a kiama kiu.
There is no any valid order of the court stopping the ongoing nurses strike and therefore the strike continues.
Oho, ndagitari ni moritio magekinyia igoti-ini muthenya wa Jumatatu kiumia giukite niguo gwetha kihonia gia thina uyu.
Yes.